Is it worth all the sacrifices? The weight of this question is acknowledged, and it's okay to question. Totally agree. It's a valid inquiry, a pivotal moment to recalibrate your direction. Consider it an invitation to redefine your commitment. The sacrifices are not hurdles, but stepping stones to the extraordinary. Look to history. The greatest achievements arose from unwavering determination in the face of this very question. Embrace sacrifices as currency invested in a life of significance. Shift doubt to determination, and let your answer be a resounding affirmation. Your journey is a unique narrative, and each sacrifice shapes your story. As you leave here, remember, your sacrifices weave the tapestry of your greatness. Totally agree is not passive acceptance, but an empowering declaration. The world awaits the manifestation of your dreams, and every sacrifice is a bridge leading you there. Go forth with renewed vigor, knowing your journey, your dreams, and you are worth every sacrifice, keys to unlocking the extraordinary life that awaits you.